Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to solve the question 6 of the board's paper of class 10th 2018 question paper. And I have this question in front of me. It's question number 6. This is the one I'm going to solve today. And I'm going to, as always, prepare an outline, get an idea about what I have to code and then start coding. I'll code it on simple notepad first and then run and check if I've written it correctly. Okay, so it says write a program in Java to accept a string in lowercase and change the first letter of every word to uppercase. Okay, display the new string. Okay, the question seems to be very clear. We have to input a string, and in this string, for each and every word, you have to make the first letter, the first alphabet of that word to uppercase. So W changes to W, A changes to A, I changes to I, and so on. And this is very clear. So one thing you know that you have to input a string. So first thing is very clear. The next thing you have to do is create this string from the original one. So as you know in Java that strings are immutable. So in the string that we input, I cannot change this W to capitals because I cannot change this string at all. It's immutable. So either I have to create a new string or I have to create I will have to create a character array and then make manipulations to that. So I'll go with the latter one. You might find the third method that you iterate over the string and keep printing each of the letters as you come across them. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to do it using a character array. So I'm going to start coding. So class sentence. Okay. So public static. As I always tell you, keep ample spacing when you're writing on a paper so that when you have to add extra lines somewhere later in the code, so you can easily do that. Exception. Okay, and I have my include java.io.asterisk. So the first thing I do is create data input stream object to read from the user. Okay, so you can use scanner or buffer data or whatever you have been taught. So I used to use data input stream, so I'll go with this stream dis new data input stream system.in. Okay, now what I need to do is input the string. So here, like as I always tell you that your input and output should look as close as possible to given in the question. So there is no prompt here, it just says sample input. So you can probably print a line that and enter the string. So something like that if you want, even if you don't, it's okay. So I will give a prompt to enter a string system.out.println, enter a string. Okay, and I will store this string in this variable line, and line equals ts.read line. So the first part, that is to input the string, is done. Now I need to convert each and every word of that string to uppercase. So at first it might strike you, it might not strike you. If it doesn't strike you, give it some time and it will strike you. And even if it does not, then start with writing something, you might get an idea. Okay, so the idea is that you should scribble as less as possible, because in your class 10 boards paper your presentation is very important. So this has to be converted to uppercase. So my idea is, so I will definitely convert the first character to uppercase because it's the start of a word, and then whenever I see a space, okay, I will convert the next character after it to uppercase. Okay, and that's how I'll go about it, and I guess that will work for most of the cases, in fact for all of the cases. So what I do is convert the first character to uppercase, and then I start iterating from left, go towards right, and whenever I see a space, I convert the character right next to it to uppercase, and similarly for all the other spaces. So create array of characters from the the string. Okay, so there is a method called .toChar array that will return the characters, that will return an array of characters from the string. But I will create an array like manually here. Char characters is equals to new char line dot length. I'm making too many typos. Line dot length. Okay, now I need to fill this array with the characters in the string line. So fill the array for int I is equal to 0. I is the line dot length I plus plus characters of I is equals to 9 dot charAt I. Okay. Okay, now we have this. We have filled the characters. So 9 dot character. Okay, now convert this string to string. So I will convert each of this. So as I told you, my idea was to convert the first character of this string to uppercase and then start iterating. In my iteration, whenever I find a space, I make the character right next to the space to uppercase. So for int I equals to 0, I is less than 9 dot length I plus plus. Make the first character to uppercase. So there are more than one ways to do this. So you can probably add an integer value to the character and then make it to uppercase, or you can use the method. So I will use a method. So characters of I is equals to character dot to uppercase characters of I. Sorry, not I, it has to be 0 here. The first character is converted. Now I will check if this is a space. If this is a space, I will convert the next character to uppercase. So if this is a space, so if characters of I is equals to a space, then if the next character is within the string, if I plus 1 is less than line dot length characters of I equals to plus 1 characters of I dot uppercase. So the character right next to this space is converted to uppercase, and so we are done with the program. Print the final string for int I is equals to 0. I is less than 9 dot length I plus plus 2 dot out dot print characters of I and close. I will close this main method. I will close this class and I'm done. So my code is done. So I'll just give it a quick revise. Is import java data asterisk is good, code static void main is good, data stream is good, system.out.println is good, string line is good, char characters equals to new char line dot length is good, for into I is good, characters of I equals to line dot character of I is good, characters of 0 is equals to character dot to uppercase, characters of 0 okay, int I equals to I less than okay, if I is equals to space okay, I plus 1 is less than 9 and characters of I plus 1 equals to character dot uppercase, characters, and then change the line. So this is my solution, and once I'm done with it, I'll definitely not change the solution. So let me just go and compile and check if I've written it correctly. So it has to be question Java. Question 6.java. Okay, and let me compile it. Java C. Question 6.java. Oh, I did make a mistake. So here is the mistake that I made. So I did not see it. So I can change it obviously here, but it was a mistake that I did. Let me correct it. I'm not going to change it, this and that one. You have to be careful when you do this. You can make minor mistakes like this. I'll go back. Java C, and it compiles. Java sentence. It says we are in cyber world, and I will write we are in cyber world, and it is we are in cyber world. Or I'll write again we are in cyber world. So we are in cyber world is the output. So there was a minor error that we did, and it can happen because I revised it also, but I did skip this error. So be careful when you are revising and when you are writing it, so that you don't make silly mistakes like this. You don't want to give an examiner a chance to deduct the marks. This was the solution, and it ran correctly apart from this bug, which obviously you should take care when you are writing the program.